Hello YouTube. I'm just gonna kind of cut straight to the point. I'm gonna be reviewing the Corsair H50 liquid cooling system. The system that Corsair actually conspired with Asetek. This little emblem it just says that they conspired with Asetek to make this their own, and the design and whatnot. I'm going to be showing the features and pretty much an external overview. I'll be unboxing it in another video in the next week or two. It's got a 120mm radiator right here, as pictured. It's got a supposedly 120, but I think it's an 8mm fan on the back of the radiator. It's got non-porous and closed loop pipes, little connectors right here. And it's got a pre-filled reservoir, so that means that you don't have to buy liquid coolant for it, which is great. It's got thermal grease or thermal compound already spread across the CPU copper water plate, or the copper plate on it, which is okay if you're just an everyday kind of, you want a little boost in your performance. But if you're an overclocker, you definitely need to get more thermal compound for your CPU. That's pretty much the whole system right here. The box itself has little blurbs of information on the back about the this copper CPU plate right here, and it shows you the thermal grease already applied. It shows you information about the radiator and the 100mm fan. Then it shows you statistics and how it compares to the air cooling and liquid cooling system, or air cooling and traditional water cooling systems. Then it has a little introduction and all that stuff in different languages in the back. And yeah, this is pretty much it. And also, this is just for my first build, but that's the cooler that I got for first build. I might think of water cooling, but I don't really like that, because it's the water itself, or the coolant itself, can cool down, or can warm up, and it can actually heat up your CPU, not cool it, which is bad. I also got this for my first build. I also got this Antec Spot Cool cooler. I don't know what the RPMs is. It doesn't say, but somebody told me it was really good, so I bought it at Best Buy for about 16 bucks, which is kind of expensive. I don't know why this. Oh yeah, and the H50 is about 80 bucks at Best Buy, and I shouldn't be buying this stuff at Best Buy because retail is always more expensive than online. But I'm going to be getting most of the rest of my components from Newegg or TechnoDirect.com. But anyways, it's quiet and flexible 3-speed blue LED fan. What it does is pretty much you can attach it to your mobile or your motherboard, or your case, and you can like twist this and turn this and aim it towards wherever you want to aim it, like your memory modules, or your CPU for a little extra cooling, or your video card, or wherever you want to put it, and it cools that area. Not completely, just a warning, it doesn't cool it completely. It just adds a little airflow. And if you have a case, here's a little tip. If you want a case, you don't want it going straight to the back. You want it going from the very bottom of the case diagonally up. So therefore, it goes through each of the components and not just one or two. Or else you're not cooling all the components you possibly can. That's also what I got. And I also got this pretty pointless cable ties. Although cases already come with zip ties included in the purchase, but what I like about these is they're color coded, so you can probably differentiate between each cable, which wire does what. There's 8 of them, and they're pretty pointless, as I said, but I thought I'd get them because they're only about $2. And yeah, that's the end of my video, and goodbye.